I'm Steve Hobson, the editor of Motor Transport, and I'm here at the FORS annual conference with Jake Edwards and Ollie Wakefield from SJL Insurance.
Hi there.
Hello.
So, Jake, tell us all about SJL and why you're here at the FORS conference, please.
Yeah, it's good. So SJL Insurance has been running for 22 years now. So we started up in 2003, near enough. So just up to 22 years now. Yep. Started up in our CEO, Simon John Lancaster, hence the SJL. Started up in his parents' spare bedroom with a £200 grant from the Prince's Trust. Wow. So brought a laptop, started wholesaling some insurance products, and then built himself into the company that we're at now. In relation to FORS, the reason that we're here, we've been working closely with FORS over the last 12 months or so in relation to setting up a product that benefits FORS operators, and that where we can sort of really detail down the risk management process that FORS instills in operators that are out there, and how that can benefit you as from an insurance standpoint.
Yes, great. So, Ollie, tell us a bit more about the special products perhaps that you do for the FORS accredited operators.
So we've agreed a FORS approved fleet insurance product, which we're working closely with FORS members on and introducing. The benefits of this product is you could benefit from below market standard excesses, premium discounts. We have recognised that the FORS members are struggling sort of with in the young drivers area. So we have allowed the insurers to agree some more flexible young driver arrangements for our fleet customers.
Do you find that FORS operators, because of the driver training and the other measures they put in place, are a genuinely lower risk than somebody who perhaps isn't in the FORS scheme?
100%. Yeah, I think that is definitely something that becomes prevalent for ourselves. We've got a good mix of fleet clients between FORS operators and non-FORS operators, and it really does show sort of when people are really sticking to the points of working and following the FORS ethos. Really makes a difference. It needs to be sure, though, that people aren't just using it as sort of a box ticking exercise, and that they're actually drilling down and using the FORS ethos to get a bit further.
Yeah, Ollie, you mentioned drivers there. Now, obviously, young drivers have been a problem in the past, but we're hearing that companies who are doing better inductions, better continuous training, and perhaps using telematics, they're allowed to employ drivers perhaps below the age of 25, which a lot of people have always told me is the minimum age. Are you finding insurers will look at drivers of 21 and above?
Looking at drivers 21 and above, sometimes younger as well. We're responding to the market in the fleet operators of the driver shortages. So a lot of young drivers might be hired more than normal. So we need to agree with our insurers, which we have done, that they can be reciprocal to that change.
Are you finding a lot of fleet operators who have perhaps been self-insured in the past are now finding better value by coming to people like you to go third-party insured?
100%, yeah. So we, as a broker, I'm finding more and more now that we can add a lot of value in relation to sort of the risk management process overall. So we can actually drill down into what insurers want to see. And if we can tell a good enough story about your fleet and the fleet that you operate, then from an insurer's point of view, it's their dreamland, really. If they can see the story, because it doesn't really matter. The end point that you've got, if you've had a lot of claims in a year, but there's a good story of sort of how you got there. So if you've had one driver that's been particularly claiming, then, and we can tell the insurers that from their point of view, then it's a no-brainer really to take a look at and sort of take a bit of a punt on. So yeah, definitely.
So how have you found the conference today? You've been here nearly, well over a half a day now. How have you been finding the event? Have you got lots of people to talk to?
Really good, yeah. So we've had a lot of really good, positive conversations so far, and got a lot of people that we've got to get in contact with when we get back about quoting for their insurance. So yeah, we thought it was really good. It's nice to get around and see a few of the other sort of guys that are exhibiting as well. It's been brilliant.
Fantastic. Jake, Ollie, thank you.